Anyways, here we have a 30-inch antique brass Canarm / Westinghouse turbo swirl ceiling fan, and in the bedroom we're staying in a resort hotel. Anyways, if you haven't watched the video of it, in the last resort hotel we were staying in, there was this Hunter Builder Select ceiling fan in the bedroom, and that fan did not work, and it was stuck. I think the bearings were stuck, and also the blades were warped and droopy. Now that I think about it, what happened was the fan motor failed, and that caused the bearings to not spin for a while, and it caused the bearings to get stuck. And since the fan wouldn't spin anymore, the blades started drooping because there's no centrifugal force to, stop the blades from drooping. But anyways, this is the same resort as the wicker ceiling fans in the restaurant. The 4-blade wicker fans, which I still haven't found out what brand they were. So anyways, first of all, I'm gonna show you around the fan. Basically, there are no tags anywhere. I'm assuming that any tags that they put here were removed. And they've got the distinctive Westinghouse light and fan chains. And yeah. Oh, there's a tag right there. No. Oh, that's weird. Why do they have tags on the blades? So yeah. Here's the top of the motor and all the vents and everything. Oh, I found a tag. Apparently, I didn't look hard enough. But I lost it. Oh, there it is. Apparently, it didn't look hard enough the first time. So anyways, I'm gonna turn on the light for you guys, but first of all I'm gonna turn the flash off on my phone so you guys can see how much light this thing actually puts. Anyways, here we are. I'm gonna turn off these lights so you can see what light this thing puts out better. A bit dim, to be honest. I've been thinking of putting this exact fan in the guest bedroom in my relative's house on my mom's side, but now that you think about it, this light seems just too dim. Maybe it's just bulb in it, I don't know, but if this is actually if this is the brightest you can get this light to be, then we're probably not gonna put that fan in there. So I'm gonna turn the lights back on and turn on my flash again so you can see the fan a bit better. And I'm gonna turn on these lamps, so I'll be back. Anyways, now I'm actually gonna turn the fan for you guys. So, anyways, let's start off with low. I'm gonna start it from high later when we do reverse. But for now, we'll start off with low. All the shadows and everything. I'm gonna turn this light off just so you don't get the glare. Even though I don't really mind, know that many fan people don't like glare. I'm gonna turn it to medium now. This fan buzzes, as you can hear. It's not the most well-built fan in the world, but it is a pretty ideal little fan. For what it is. Being it's a new Westinghouse, it doesn't seem that well built. Being that Westinghouse kind of has a reputation for being cheapo. Here's high. But it seems that smaller fans tend to be one of the better fans made by manufacturers. Because they're small, probably. There's the Westinghouse battery, by the way, and there's the fan chain. Moves a decent amount of air. For a little fan like this, curtains are moving. So are those ones. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off and light again. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off. I didn't mistakenly did that. I turned it on purpose just to see if it looks any different, but it didn't really look much different. Let's turn it off and do a spin down. And after that, I'm gonna do reverse. Actually, my system and videos from now on would be starting a ceiling fan on low, then going medium and then high, and then doing the spin down, and then on reverse I do high, medium, low, just so we get both the sort of both low and high. So yeah. I've actually seen these fans installed with the blades flipped so that the little edges face towards the ceiling rather than to the ground, but don't know which is more ideal in terms of airflow. I know this is not the shortest video in the world, but I'm trying not to make my videos too long, so hopefully this will be under 10 minutes. If not, then sorry about that. I've been trying to find ways to make videos shorter, but yeah. Anyways, let's turn it on reverse and yeah. I was saying let's turn it to reverse and turn it to high. We might use reverse in bedtime, actually, because my parents are right underneath the fan and I don't think they would want the breeze. I'm right there, so yeah. I might also just use low. Because basically, I'd want reverse for if you want this a steady breeze, but not a strong breeze from right above us. Yeah, there's high. Let's turn it down to medium. Gotta do this quick, or else this video will be long as hell. So yeah. Oops, it said hell. Sorry about that, but better watch my language. There's low. Anyways, let's turn it back to high, and there you have it. thank you for watching, and I might as well show the fan spinning up one more time, but anyways, there you have it. Thank you for watching.